In NBA 2K25, Takeover is a powerful feature that temporarily boosts your players' abilities, helping you dominate the game. Whether you're playing MyCareer or another mode, learning how to activate Takeover can give you a significant edge. Here's a quick, step-by-step guide on how to activate Takeover in NBA 2K25. Step 1. Fill the Takeover meter. To activate Takeover, you first need to fill your Takeover meter. The meter fills up as you perform well in the game, including scoring. Points from field goals, free throws, and three-pointers contribute. Assists. Setting up teammates for easy baskets fills the meter. Defense. Blocks, steals, and forced turnovers help progress the meter. Rebounds and hustle plays. Grab boards or make effort plays to increase your progress. A balanced game, scoring, playmaking, defense, will help fill the meter faster. Step 2. Monitor the Takeover meter. Keep an eye on the meter at the top of the screen. Once it fills completely, you'll be able to activate Takeover. The meter usually changes color when it's full, indicating that Takeover is ready. Step 3. Activate Takeover. Once the meter is full, press the designated button to activate Takeover, typically RS or L3 on most controllers. You may have a choice between primary and secondary takeovers, depending on your player build. Choose the one that best suits your playstyle. Step 4. Use Takeover. Wisely. Takeover gives you a significant boost to your players' abilities. To make the most of it, play to your strengths. If you have a sharpshooter Takeover, focus on shooting. If you have slasher Takeover, drive to the basket and dunk. Be aggressive. Takeover increases your power, so use it to attack, shoot, or lock down opponents with confidence. Step 5. Cool down. After Takeover ends, there's a brief cooldown before you can activate it again. Keep playing well to quickly recharge your meter for the next Takeover. Conclusion. Takeover in NBA 2K25 is a game-changer that boosts your players' performance. Fill the meter by playing well, activate it when full, and use the enhanced abilities to dominate the game. With practice, you'll be able to trigger Takeover at will and elevate your gameplay.